Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how can you claim the SEI airdrop. SEI airdrop, first of all you have to know what is SEI unique airdrop. The SEI Foundation has announced to launch their own airdrop like no others. This is not a typical airdrop. SEI approach is genuinely cross-chain aiming to participate and recognize the early adopters of blockchain technology across several ecosystems, highlighting at there some points in the articles. SEI will be also airdropping 1% of total supply to the testnet participant. You have to be participate in the testnet, then you will get the SEI airdrop for free. How can you participate and how can you get the airdrop? So first we talk about the step-by-step guide. So how can you participate in the and then first of all you have to visit the SEI testnet page. Link is the given in the description for SEI testnet airdrop page and connect your Calper wallet. Yes, you have to use the Kepler wallet and there is no MetaMask for any other wallet. You have to use the Kepler wallet. So go on, it's a free wallet website, so you can get the Kepler wallet for free and then use. Now request some testnet token. You have to be request for the testnet token. Go on the stacking page and stack some testnet SEI. Now visit the SEI investor campaign page and complete the missing as mentioned. Complete the mission's task as mentioned. You will get some point and after the 1% of SEI token supply will be allotted to the testnet participants. This is as simple as you will get free SEI token based on the number of points you have completed the missions as mentioned and testnet AI. Participating in the SEI airdrops, the eligibility criteria is Solana, Arbitrum, Ethereum, Osmosis, Binance, and Polygon. This is a multi-chain platform, so you can also use their others platform multi-chain. So you can also get eligible for the airdrops. Here's the link giving on the claiming airdrops and the widget website, so you can directly go on their websites and claim that airdrops. So price pool testnet activity according to the testnet, you will get the price pool as much as you completed their task or missions, so you can get the as much as prize pool for the from the airdrops. Winners are unrated as much as number of peoples completing their testnet tasks, so they will also eligible for the airdrops. Deadline is NA, that's mean there's no deadline for their airdrops, so they're not announced yet. That's mean they are not announced the deadline yet, so go on the and as soon as possible you will a free airdrop SEI just completing the testnet activity. So this is the website for the SEI airdrop claiming for free, and if you like the video just subscribe the channel because we are giving you the free airdrop update every day, and this is the only channel who is giving the everyday airdrop update for free. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button also, and we will meet on the next airdrop update for free which is eligible to and give a simple step-by-step guide. So this is for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.